Welcome back to Web3 Diplomat. This is episode 2 of Crypto Dictionary, and this time we're going through Memecoin fundamentals. These are essentials in the crypto space. You can be conscious in crypto world if you don't know these things. In the first episode, we covered basic fundamentals of crypto. There's just a introduction of crypto more for millennials. But now, no time wasting. Let's jump straight to it. First, we have a dev. It's short for developer. This is important info. Dev holding has a big impact on a coin. If you see that dev is holding big supply of a coin, he can dump the chart, basically rug. By being in the game for long enough, you will start to recognize devs. They also are trying to make a name for themselves, and you'll start to remember how good or bad their intentions are. So next one, we have layer 1 and layer 2. Layer 1 is the main blockchain. It's like a ground floor of a building. It's where everything happens first, like sending tokens, trading, minting meme coins. All starts here. Think of it, Ethereum, Bitcoin, Solana, those are layer 1s. Layer 2 is built on top of layer 1 to make things run smoother. It makes some of the traffic, it takes some of the traffic off the main chain, making transactions faster and cheaper. Stuff like Arbitrum or Base, those are layer 2s for Ethereum, and all meme coins are layer 2s. So next, we have trenches. It's where I spent most of my time, where every layer 2 coin starts its journey. This is a picture from Axiom, and these are all Solana layer 2 coins. Trenches is a metaphor for the lowest point of lifetime. Trenching is trying to find the next coin that will go. There's 1,000 coins created every hour, and job is to find one that will blow up. It's a straight up casino if you don't know what you're doing, as 99% of coins here going to zero in the lifespan of 5 minutes. And my channel will be mostly about and around trenching, so make sure to subscribe if you will be trenching. So smart wallets is basically very successful wallets with a huge win rate of 1 million plus. It's KOL, it's short for key opinion leader. This is Elon Musk, Trump, Andrew Tate. Coins that they mention obviously go crazy. People sometimes consider smart wallets as KOLs, as a lot of people copy trade them, and coins that they bring their attention to also sometimes go crazy just because of them being in that coin. It works on lower market cap coins, like meme coins, basically. They have public wallets, and you can find them on CallScan.io. Yeah, you can see the daily PNLs that they're getting. It's quite insane. Someday we'll be there. All right, next one we have CT. You will hear this a lot. It's short for crypto Twitter. Right now, the meta for meme coins and trenching is CT tracker. Basically, you get a notification as soon as KOL posts something. Twitter is what moves the market the most at the moment. People are charging a lot of money for those CT trackers in Discord groups, but to be honest, Axiom beats it all. It gives it for free, and it's works perfectly fine. Next, we have a pump and dump. Yeah. More relatable to meme coins. So basically, the coin goes up and instantly goes down. That is usually made by the dev pushing the coin and then selling off. But PvP also can show same effect. And what is PvP? I will explain right now. Short for player versus player. Well, every coin that is going is a player versus player. You make money only when someone else loses money. This is obvious info that you need to stick it in your head. If someone suggests you a coin, you are their exit ticket. But another saying of PvP in meme coins is when there is a big supply of a coin bought up by a couple of players at the low market cap, and even if the coin is good, it won't go anywhere because those couple of players are trying to secure their profit, and it is dumping the chart. because buying power can't keep up with how much these people are selling. They're just basically cheating. It's they're scared of holding it because everybody knows that this meme coin is going to zero, but you never know how long it will live. And yeah, who will then want to buy a coin that is dying? Well, nobody. So it just dies, even if it was good. Alpha and beta plays. Well, originally, alpha play is a high risk, high reward move. You have early information about something big upcoming that has not yet been seen by overall public. And beta play is after the information has been out, once it's more confirmed, but with less upside of a chart. And so low risk, low reward. In meme coins, though, they refer to a coin which has brought a lot of attention in a small amount of time. For example, there's a house coin which goes to 1 million market cap in 5 minutes. This is alpha coin. The beta coin would be a villa coin or apartment coin. It's really related, and it will pump for sure, but all-time high would be like 10 or 15 or 20% of what the alpha coin is doing. Right. If the villa coin is, if house coin is at 1 million, the villa coin would go to 100K maybe. Yeah. So you can make a lot of money on beta plays, but they are not sticking for long, and it's just a matter of how good is the alpha coin doing. Yeah. So next up we have a Scalp. It's a trading strategy where you try to make quick, small profits by buying and selling your coin within a short time, sometimes minutes, mostly seconds. Yeah, it's a lot of these in meme coin trading, as you don't want to hold long and have the meme coin because everything is going to zero. Meme coins, everything. Well, next up we have a sniper. It's like a crypto aimbot. It hits the coin launch instantly, trying to get in before everyone else for a fast slip, basically scalp. Yeah, most of the time it's a bot, it's not a human. Never used it, the sniper bot. Don't know exactly. Well, maybe I will dig in later in the sniper bots, but as far as of now, I know that it's not as profitable as being actually a good trader. All right. Rugpull is when a dev pulled out the liquidity or abandons the project, and everyone who bought bots and get wrecked. Yeah, basically. It happens usually when the dev is either holding a big supply or just manipulated the code and extracts all the liquidity of a coin. Insiders is someone close to the dev, the KOL, or the Kabal who hears about the token before it's tweeted or hyped and buys in first. Sometimes insiders don't even buy the coin. It just gets sent to them. I will explain what is Kabal a little bit later, but for now we have a Honeypot. Yeah, this one, you don't want to be in this one. Basically, you can buy, but you can't sell. Devs manipulate the coin of a coin, the code of a coin, to make it impossible to sell. And luckily, there is a website, rockcheck.xyz, where you can enter the contract address, and it will give you a risk analysis of a coin being honeypot or not. Next one, we have bundled or multi-walleted coins. This is most of the time how you get it rugpulled. Yeah, so I will explain a little bit. A bundled coin is one where the dev or insiders have central control. They split their supply across many wallets to hide control and look decentralized. This is very high risk, and don't buy such coins. If you want, I can make a separate video on how to spot these things, but I will explain here quickly. Well, here is a coin. Well, you can see that the chart looks very unnatural. You see that there's this little buys little sells, little buys. It doesn't exactly look natural. See, and then there's a big sell. Why? Because all of these buys are made by the single group or a single person. There as well. These are not natural charts. These are made up charts. And luckily on Axiom, you can see the holders. And here you can see that these wallets, yeah, they say they're not like insiders or devs. Well, but you can see that all of these 8 wallets here hold same amount of money and they hold same amount of supply. Yeah, this is a clear indication that it is a bundled coin. Don't buy into these, you will get rug pulled. Next one, we have volunteers. It's a simple slang of how much money the wallet is holding. People sometimes consider mega whales as KOLs. Yeah, but that's about it. A Degen, someone who takes a wild risks for fast gains, especially in meme coins, NFTs, or a low market cap coins, often with no deep research, just vibes, a fear of missing out, or Twitter hype. A meta. That's short for most effective tactic available. Basically, the current strategy or trend that works best right now for making money. As I said, I will explain Kabal. In crypto, Kabal is a secretive group of insiders, usually made up of whales, alpha traders, devs, KOLs, people who coordinate behind the scenes to control, influence, or profit from the market moves. Exit liquidity is when you buy a coin so someone else can sell there at a profit and you get stuck holding the bag. A whale or insiders buys early. For example, they hype the token, tweet it, get others excited. You buy in relatively late, price pumps a bit more, and they sell to you at the top. You are left holding while the price dumps, and you were the exit liquidity, the one they used to get out. Yeah, this happens a lot on people watch and copy trade streamers, and basically they have their copy traders. But most of the time, streamers know that if they buy the coin, it will obviously go up a little bit, and they can sell their position at a profit. It's called the farming, and yeah, that's how streamers or YouTubers or influencers make their money, just by being in them. They attracting other buyers, and they're just selling off on them. Next one, we have a migrated coin. Migrated or graduated coin refers to a token that has moved from an initial launch platform like a pump.fun to a more serious tradable environment like Radium on Solana or Uniswap on Ethereum. This means the coin has larger audience right now. Here you on Axiom, the right bar, it's migrated coins. The final stretch is the coins that are more likely to go into migrated, and how close the coin is to migration. There is a metric called bonding curve, which says how close the coin is to migration. And last one we have today is a slippage. It's when you try to buy a coin at one price, but the transaction fills at a worse price, a different price, because the market moved so fast. Yeah, this is a common thing in meme coins. You set up your slippage settings yourself, so it's up to you. I have my setting slippage on 50%, so even if after I press buy and the coin moves 50%, I will still get filled in. Well, if that happens, I will quickly sell, but most of the time. But I don't know, maybe there is a new funny Trump tweet that came out, and I try to buy in the coin, and even if it goes 50% up, I'm 100% sure that it will go another 2000% up. So I will keep being in that position, and I don't care. if it slips out 50%. So yeah, thank you for watching episode 2 of Crypto Dictionary. In episode 3, I will cover a dictionary of trenches. The first 2 episodes were just come up for the main episode of Trench Dictionary, and it will be the most valuable video on my channel yet. So if you're considering trenching, make sure to subscribe and follow me on X. Soon I'll be very active on there. Yeah, and see you in the next one. Ciao.